Today we're going to see the patient 2 years ago. He did a smart beard transplant and he was very happy with the result. 3 days ago he did a smart FUE for the male pattern hair loss level 3 vertex. This is a 2 years result we are seeing, and he have got a very nice French beard. This is on the left side goatee. When you go up a bit, this is on the left side mustache. This is a left mustache, right mustache, and the center part connecting these two is called the phyton. And this is on the right goatee. This is a Y shape, and it's the beard. So this whole thing is called a French beard. We fill up the graph in the design area according to the angle, according to the density. He have followed our instruction. He have done a very good graft care with the technique of smart FUE. We can see today there's no much swelling. The graft all are clean. There's no any graft that is dislodged. We also increase the density in the crown, following the design, as in the crown the hair comes out almost like 360 degrees.
So far I'm very happy. I did my beard. This is the second year already. Everything is good. And now I'm doing my hair. And this is the third day. So far it's satisfying.